Must have been a good reason I came out here. There was. See that light right there? Yeah. The upstairs light's still on in the shop. I should put a light bulb down below so you know it's on, but then I saw the other reason I came out here. Beautiful sunset. And neighbor's fire's actually burnt down pretty good. He's over there pushing more stuff in. Had his old, what is it, 25 or maybe a 30 Massey with a loader on it, pushing the big stuff in earlier, and doing a pretty good job of getting that to burn up. It's mostly old English walnut. It's been dead and rotten for 10, 15, 20 years, whatever. But anyway, I wanted to show you that. So there it is. I should have put my coat on to come back out here because it's cold out here now. But poke my head in, shut the lights off, and get out of there. So last night I had to come out and shut the lights off upstairs, right? And I showed you the sunset. Pretty cool. I showed you a little of the floor, I think. I don't remember. You probably just saw it if you did. Anyway, I screwed around out here and I cleaned up the floor a little bit. Oh, there's more laying there. I just swept all this right here where the welder is over to the front of the tongue on the traveler. Underneath that chair I didn't touch. That's the pile I got so far. Most aren't moving, but there's a few there trying to get away. And all the way back, the whole floor's covered back by that chair and behind that box. That's just freaking crazy. You would think by now we'd have had them all, right? Wrong. So today it better all get done though. Because can't, day 3, 4, whatever it's been on this crap. I'm done with bugs. I really am. Especially these bugs. I had this all cleaned up until Ty got to everything. Yeah, she got here and Becky's been house sitting for a friend in town. So Becky got here and we went for a quick drive. Seems last night there was supposed to be a residential fire down the road, the place that we farm. The evidence of the fire engine's in and out of the driveway. We didn't pull in, but I mean, their shop's still there. Looked like the house was all still there, so I don't know what burned. And night before that, up above where we farm up on the hill above where we got the red barn, supposed to be a house fire there too, but nobody's seen any evidence of that either, other than the fire engine's been in and out of the driveway. So who knows what's going on? Maybe tonight it'll be here. I mean, be the same distance from the one on top of the hill to the one last night, and from the one last night to here. Who the frick knows? I don't know what's going on. Anyway, Ty started into stuff up there. There's the empty boxes so far. We've got these molasses buckets. They're a 4-gallon bucket, it's what they say. And lids. So we're replacing cardboard boxes. Not a whole lot you can do with these freaking teeth other than, hey, we'll throw in a bucket. We got left basket and right basket for the 216 New Holland. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these others. Those are for the scatter rake. And those are for the tedder rake. There's a full bucket. I think she took it back up already. Completely full bucket of parts for the New Holland disc vine. Didn't realize we already had a full new set of nuts and bolts for the knives. Oh, there's the used ones. I'm going to toss the nuts, but those are good grade 8 bolts, so we'll keep them. And that box has some almost new used knives in it and new nuts and bolts. it needs to go back in the toolbox on the mower because that's kind of spares for if you happen to bugger one knife up. Find one that's similar to the other one. Don't screw everything up in between, right? So anyway, I think she's down in the barn messing around with the calves. Maybe she's trying to tie some up. We weren't going to do it till this afternoon, though. And time flies when you're having fun, because hell, it's lunchtime already. And I was really hoping to have this pigsty done today. Give Tom a call after lunch, see if he got my part finished yet. If so, I'll get this thing out of here today if I'm lucky. So I haven't done anything I was going to do today yet because I've been Thailand's support group. She throws all the shit down here and I clean it up and repackage it. I got to clean that bucket up yet. That's what the rag's for. Then hand them back to her. So fun times. And more bugs. I showed you earlier I swept the floor. Well, all them little black spots on the floor again, and over by that wheelchair over there. And how many I've smashed already. And I had everything over here cleaned up too, even back in by the wall between everything. A whole bunch of flies buzzing around now. They just keep falling. Just to keep a falling. Freaking shelf's just packed with them in the corner. Stink bug crawling down the wall. Freaking disgusting bastards. Anyway, maybe I'll get something else done today besides this. We'll see. Dang cows actually went out today, but you can see them or not. They're in the shadows there along the creek. They're all filing back in. Yeah. It's after lunch. I guess I got to come back in. I don't know. Crazy. Wish they'd stay out there for a while longer. They might. Maybe they're just moving around. I don't know. She makes me spend all day cleaning buckets to put parts in and resorting parts and putting them all together. Then she makes me come down here to help her with this. I don't think this one trampled her.
No.
It's one of those two up there with her tail going 90 miles an hour.
On steroids. I'm not tired.
Oh yeah, fine. But hey, on the plus side, I got 3 clean buckets with lids just waiting for stuff to go in them. This is 023's calf. We'll see how bad she is when we're done here.
I'm an idiot. Mel's tied again.
She retied one. We had 4 more to tie.
That's fine, because she's calm next to a psychotic see next Tuesday.
In the meantime, we still had 4 more to tie, which means there's going to be another round of tying.
I'm going to have to do another round of tying.
Yeah, she was going to tie the crazy ones back up anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah, just having fun. Oh, and I told you they were all coming in after lunch. Yep, they're all in there.
I had 2 heifers come in, and it was funny.
I had 2 come and keep an eye on her, so.
They did. They came all the way in the walk-ups while I had to make sure I didn't fall, because I figured one of them was going to scream bloody murder.
Hey, here's where we trade places. I get on this side.
Okay, but who did the other 2 by herself?
Yeah. That's just those 2 you done by yourself. Try to get that to her so she don't get kicked, and then I ask her if she's ready.
Yep. Yep.
By the way, in case you can figure it out, she's a liar. Here we go.
Bring it out. I didn't have to figure it out.
You'll figure it out. That's what they do. They decide, oh, I can't get away. I'm going to fall down and play dead. Maybe they'll have mercy on me. Doesn't work that way. Whee! Ooh, back of the head. Did you see that?
Last one, Daimler took out all 3 water troughs and the little one up there. So, go straight through that hole, bro.
I'm just going to get out of her way.
Last one ran at a dead run. I almost face planted.
And then she finds out she's not in charge after all.
That's pretty good.
But we'll shut this gate. Oh, she's actually being pretty decent. It's easier that way. Well, anyway, she'll get pulled up like the other two and tied. Then we'll see if we can find one more. She told me I had to come over here and get you all a video. I'm trying to get one more heifer. Well, the youngest ones are cuddled up right there. And of course, they're going to get disturbed because we got to get through here. So that those out there will come in here so we get the one we want. Oh yeah, too many there. She's like, yeah, screw you, I'm going to walk away.
She don't want to.
It wasn't really that bad to get in here. We opened the wall, went out, got her and 3 others in here.
Dear Lord, pray for me because
She slipped right on up.
I'm worried.
Let the others out this gate. And then, once her head hit in the head gate, she let out a beller that makes you think she was getting murdered.
No, she did that when I put the hose from it.
Oh. Yeah. Then she stuck her leg through the hole.
4 times.
Oh, nuts and bolts.
Got it.
So, always watch for the head nod. But then you're supposed to open the chute, right? Oops. She was pulling harder. It stopped it. I should do a TikTok of this. You know, put it to a little song. Got a fever that they call rodeo, right? Oh, come on. What happened here? That's what happened here. My sign got buggered up. There. Now nobody can get caught in it when they don't want to be. Or when they're not supposed to be. She hasn't laid herself on the ground yet. Of course, I still got to open that gate.
Are we?
And the peanut gallery up here never helps.
Are we done? Are we done?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Really, there's a guy on TikTok, One Hand Farming. I love some of his videos. He's really good. I wish I could get some shots like he does. Which I'm gonna try. He didn't quite give me the chance I wanted to try, but oh man, she's got the nervous pooters. And her tail's going 90 miles an hour. So it's getting flung, and it's getting flung, and I'm staying out of the way of it. Okay. I think we got a long enough video for the day. Got a shop floor full of bugs again, too. You don't want to know how many times it's been cleaned up today. So, and hopefully in the morning, Tom will get my part done, probably by noon tomorrow. So, I didn't get anything done I wanted to do myself today. Hopefully tomorrow we get all that crap done. And beautiful day, too. I checked earlier, 0% chance of rain today, 80% tomorrow. So you know what we're doing tomorrow. We're going to play in the rain or play inside. So hope you all had a good Thursday. Hope everybody has a great Friday.